Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are all very good. I am Ramesh Sannabaina. I am finance and tax professional. Today I wanted to share one story. Okay? Yeah. Right now I am in Chennai railway station. Okay? So here I am going to plan Delhi. So here one person came here. He is He is asking me, sir, where are you going to? I'm telling the answer. I am going to Delhi. For where you are going to? I am also going to Delhi. So his name is Chintu. Okay, his name is Chintu. So he is telling his story. What is, sir? Since 5 days onwards, my father frequently ask me learn MS Advanced Excel. Learn MS Advanced Excel. Okay. So Chintu telling me his father told learn MS Advanced Excel. So Chintu asking me two questions. What are those two questions? First question is he's asking, sir, why it is necessary? Why it is necessary to learn MS Advanced Excel? That is their first question. Chintu first question. Second question, sir, which industries are required this skill? Which industries are required this skill? Okay, so Chintu asking why it is necessary to learn MS Advanced Excel. Which industries are required this skill? So these are all two questions. Okay, Chintu, are you listening? I am telling you answer for first question. So see, Chintu, see this data. So I think how many rows? Almost 2408 rows. 2408 rows is there. So in this 2408 rows data is there. And one more thing, how many columns is there? Approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 columns is there. So 2408 rows is there. Almost 10 columns is there. So this is the large data. So I am asking you Chintu, so how you analyze this data? Is it possible to you without learning MS Advanced Excel? Is it correct or not? See, almost 2408 rows is there, na? Are you seeing, Chintu? Okay. So why it is necessary to learn MS Advanced Excel? Chintu, for analyzing the large data, you need to learn MS Advanced Excel. Are you understand? Okay. Next thing, so you need to summarize this data. So with this information you couldn't understand, you won't understand anything. So you need to understand, you need to analyze and summarize the data. You need to present in charts. You need to apply pivot tables. You need to some functions, some ifs. So why it is necessary to learn MS Advanced Excel? For analyzing the large data, you need to learn MS Advanced Excel. For summarizing the data, you need to learn. Okay. For making the presentation in charts, in charts, you need to learn MS Advanced Excel. For calculate the complex problem, for solving the complex problems, calculations, you need to learn MS Advanced Excel. Okay, these are all some important things. Okay, why it is necessary to learn MS Advanced Excel? For that, I am telling you, for analyzing the large data, you must learn MS Advanced Excel. For summarizing the data, for making the presentation in charts, for solving the complex calculations, for creating the dashboards. So you must learn MS Advanced Excel. Okay. For second question, which industries are required this skill? Okay. So accounting firms, they want this skill. For which purpose? They want to do maintain bookkeeping. For bookkeeping. Okay. Investment banks require this skill. For which purpose? For analyzing the financial data. Chintu, are you listening? Financial data. Are you understand? For analyzing the financial data to make the investment. Stock markets require. For making the patterns in charts. Same, mutual funds also required. For analyzing the financial data. Okay. Government agencies also require this skill. For tracking the expenses. For tracking the expenses. For hospital industries also require. Hospital industries. For managing the patient data. For managing the patient data. Tech companies also require for risk analysis. For financial planning. Okay, etc. So in today, MS Advanced Excel plays a vital role. Okay. So, Chintu, for your questions, I think almost I given the answer. Why it is necessary to learn MS Advanced Excel? Because for analyzing the large data, you need to learn MS Advanced Excel. For summarizing the data, for making the presentation in charts, for solving the complex calculations, for creating the dashboard, you must learn MS Advanced Excel. I think you will tell to your father. Now, I think you have a understand. Next, which industries are require this skill? So, accounting firms require for maintaining bookkeeping. Investment banks require for analyzing the financial data. Stock markets also require this skill. Mutual funds, government agencies, hospital industries, tech companies, etc. Okay, I hope you understand well. Please subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.